Hey devs! Ever wished your web apps could run blazing fast like native desktop software? Let's talk about WebAssembly, the secret sauce powering performance-heavy apps right in your browser. WebAssembly, or Wasm, is a low-level binary instruction format that runs on the web. It's designed to be a portable, fast, and secure way to execute code alongside JavaScript in the browser. You write code in languages like C, C++, Rust, Go, or even Python with some tooling. Then compile it to Wasm and run it in the browser, super fast, almost like native speed. At its core, WebAssembly is made up of four things. Binary format, a compact, efficient, machine-readable bytecode. Text format, a human-readable version for debugging and learning. Execution environment, sandboxed, secure VM inside your browser. Module system, reusable, import/exportable units of code. These pieces work together to run code safely and fast, regardless of your platform. Let's talk about key features. Blazing fast execution, Wasm is compiled, not interpreted like JavaScript. Language flexibility, write in your favorite non-JS language. Security sandbox, safe execution in browser without direct memory access. Portable VE cross-platform, runs on any modern browser. Interoperable with JavaScript, use Wasm with JS, not instead of it. Pros: game-changing performance for complex apps. Unlocks the browser for non-JavaScript devs. Enables reuse of existing C/C++ codebases in the browser. Cons: harder debugging, no console logs like JS. Heavier setup and build tools. Not ideal for small DOM-heavy tasks. So when should you actually use WebAssembly? Games VE game engines, like Unity or Unreal running in browser. Photo VE video editing, real-time filters, compression, and rendering. Data visualization, high-performance charts and simulations. Scientific computing, simulations, number crunching, machine learning. Legacy code on web, port old C++ apps without a full rewrite. WebAssembly isn't just a spec, it's backed by Google, Mozilla, Microsoft, Apple, and more. Tools like Emscripten, Wasmpack, and AssemblyScript are making it easier than ever to dive in. From startups to browser vendors, Wasm is gaining serious traction. WebAssembly is reshaping what's possible on the web, from powerful games to pro-grade tools, all without installing anything. It's not a JavaScript replacement, but a superpower next to it. Curious to try it out? Start with Rust or AssemblyScript and build something wild. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more dev breakdowns.